Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for you. I tested 12 different EMA strategies on Bitcoin using the daily time frame to find out which one performs best. And trust me, the results may surprise you. I tested the exponential moving average, or EMA, with the following periods: 5, 7, 9, 10, 14, 20, 21, 30, 50, 100, 150, and 200. All of them were used in a simple trend-following strategy. We go long when the price crosses above the EMA and exit when it closes below. For each EMA period, I tracked 4 key metrics: ROI, total return on investment profit factor, total gross profit divided by gross loss, win rate, the percentage of trades that were profitable, max drawdown, the biggest peak to trough drop in equity. I also compared each strategy to a simple buy and hold on Bitcoin over the same period. Buy and hold is often tough to beat, but some EMAs came really close, and one of them actually outperformed. The best performing EMA, EMA 7. It had the highest ROI, the best profit factor, and a relatively low drawdown compared to others. Here's the exact numbers. ROI, 56,534%. Win rate, 52%. Profit factor, 1.37. Max drawdown, -64%. As you can see on the chart, EMA 7 is quick to respond to price action and gives frequent but sharp entries and exits. It captures momentum really well on Bitcoin's volatile trends. Interestingly, longer EMAs like 100, 150, and 200 were more conservative. They had fewer trades, lower drawdown, but also significantly less profit. These might work better in a portfolio for risk management, but not if you're aiming for maximum returns. So if you're trading Bitcoin on the daily chart and want a simple trend-following strategy, EMA 7 might be your best bet. But remember, this is based on historical backtesting. Markets change, and no strategy works 100% of the time. If you want me to test this strategy on other coins like Ethereum or Solana, or test other indicators like RSI, MACD, or Bollinger Bands, let me know in the comments. Smash that like button if this helped you. Subscribe for more data-driven crypto content every week, and I'll see you in the next one.